Before you buy Sevpn, here are 12 important things you need to know. We'll walk you through its features and performance compared to other top VPNs, so you can make an informed decision. First, Sevpn offers a simple interface that's easy for beginners, but it may lack some of the advanced customization options available in VPNs, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. If you're someone who needs more control, you might feel a bit limited with Sevpn. Next thing, while Sevpn promises excellent speeds, it can sometimes fall short of the blazing fast performance that you get with competitors. If speed is your priority, you might notice slight delays on certain servers. But for most users, the speeds will still be acceptable for streaming and browsing. The third thing you need to know is about the server network. Sevpn doesn't have the same vast global reach as others like CyberGhost or Surfshark, which means you may not have as many server options in every country. However, the servers they do offer are reliable and cover key regions. The fourth thing is its security features. Sevpn uses AES 256 encryption, which is the industry standard, and they also offer a kill switch. However, compared to top-tier VPNs, Sevpn's lack of extra features like double VPN or advanced leak protection might be a deal breaker if you're after maximum security. Next up is the pricing. Sevpn offers affordable plans, especially for long-term subscriptions. But be aware, its monthly rate could feel a bit high compared to other VPNs with similar features. If you're looking for value, it's important to weigh the cost against what's on offer. The sixth thing is privacy. Sevpn follows a no-logs policy, which is great for keeping your browsing data private. However, some VPNs like ProtonVPN have more transparency when it comes to how they handle user data, so Sevpn could still improve in this area for more peace of mind. The seventh thing to consider is the customer support. Sevpn offers 24/7 live chat support, which is helpful, but response times can be slower than some of its competitors. So, if you value quick resolutions, keep that in mind. Next thing to note is Sevpn's compatibility with streaming services. While it works with platforms like Netflix and Hulu, there are times when you might have to switch servers to access content. Competitors like ExpressVPN generally offer better consistency in unblocking geo-restricted content. The ninth thing is the device compatibility. Sevpn works on major platforms including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. However, it doesn't have as many simultaneous device connections as some of the more flexible VPNs out there. If you have many devices, this could be a drawback. Now, the 10th thing is the speed of its apps. While Sevpn's app is smooth, it can be a bit sluggish at times, especially on older devices. VPNs like Surfshark tend to have faster app launches and better performance overall. The 11th thing to know is its limited trial period. While Sevpn offers a 7-day free trial, many competitors offer longer free trials or even a money-back guarantee that's more flexible. If you need more time to decide, that could be something to consider. And finally, while Sevpn does offer decent value for the money, its overall package doesn't quite compete with the most feature-packed VPNs. If you want a better option with a broader set of tools and features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. Sevpn is still a solid choice for those who need basic VPN functionality, but if you want more out of your VPN, it might be worth considering an alternative.